Everlane is a great example of how to use Builder.io the correct way. They have great pages built on Builder.io. We're going to show you how to build each one of these sections. This one that we're going to start with is the hero section. So what I'm going to do is take and drop an image directly onto the page. Then select photo. I'm going to choose this photo. And that's it. We have our first image on the page. Now, if we want to overlay that image with some text, we call this a hero image. Here's some examples. Here's a cutaway one. Notice on this cutaway image, we have something laying over it. So let's take a look in the layers bar. When you look in the layers bar, there's actually a centered box, a title, a subtitle, and then a button. You might be asking though, how did this centered box get within this box? This box actually has a style on it that lists out the image. So now that we have the layers panel open, you can actually see our image is not quite identical to this box layer, which contains a background image. It's denoted here by this symbol, and as you hover over it, it will say this element has a background image. Click to edit. So you can actually see over here, if I were to take this away, that background image is gone, and it's also not listed on our layer anymore. Now you can see here we have an image and a box. Those are very different. You'll notice though at the box we actually have this photo and it says this element has a background image. If you click on this, it actually shakes our bar a little bit over here, but you might be like me and you've hidden the background. So this background on this box has a fill color and a fill image. Now instead what we're going to do is delete this top image. We know that's the one we want. We're going to select this box, and when we click it in our background over here, we can then select it and it will be set underneath as our box background. This allows images, titles, text, anything you want to go on top of it. Now with a hero setup like this, you'll actually want to not show a full image when you're on mobile. On a tablet, this is probably okay, but when you get scrunched down this far, it's probably not a lot to go by. So an option that you have, once you select it, you can click this image with the correct ratio. So this is more of a vertical alignment, and you'll notice it says style changes will affect mobile devices only, which is perfect. Now we can check and preview, and you're good to go.